my tutorial for a jack-o'-lantern peekaboo glitter tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block and Rust-Oleum white spray paint. Now we're ready to apply our glitters. We've been doing some pretty advanced designs lately, so for all of our new Tumbler fam, I thought I would do a couple beginner-friendly designs. I'll also try to refrain from using too much glitter, even though there's really no such thing. Be sure to keep this cast off glitter, y'all. It is absolutely gorgeous. I see some sunflower tumblers in the future. I let this layer cure, then I was ready for my first coat of epoxy. And for this layer, I wanted to add some depth, so I added sunshine into my epoxy. Then after this layer cured, I sealed it with another coat of epoxy so my mug was nice and smooth for my stencils. Seal until smooth, then we'll be ready to add our stencils. so you wouldn't know it to look at me since I love glitter so much, but one of my favorite colors is actually black. Like, I literally wear just like all black sometimes. Yeah. So for this design, I wanted to play with a black on black type design, but I wanted the center of my mug to be slightly lighter than the midnight glitter. Expo from Peachy Olive was perfect. It's almost like this holographic dark grayish black graphite color. I love it. Okay, so here is where the black on black comes into play that I referred to earlier. I wanted the jack-o'-lanterns to appear to be like silhouettes glowing in the darkness, like on a dark background. You just kind of see their eyes and their mouth just kind of glowing out at you. I mean, you of course don't have to do this. I just think the juxtaposition of the black textured vinyl against the dark glitter, it just looks so chic, and I don't know. I'm weird, y'all. Pray for me. Seal your vinyl with a coat of epoxy, then we'll be ready to add our final decal. So I went a little Sleepy Hollow-esque for the saying with the font. I love the story of Sleepy Hollow, and I watched the movie, you know, the one with Johnny Depp, every year during the month of October, like several times. I swear I have that movie memorized. If you want to use the same SVG, I will have it available in my Etsy shop. Seal until smooth, and then you'll be all done. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my Patreon and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your jack-o'-lantern peekaboo glitter tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!